In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error so games and programs can run properly. To fix this problem, check my video description for this site link. Select the download option. Select this closest to you and it started downloading. After download done, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Right click on this install all batch file and select run as administrator and select run option and select yes, and this will start installing all the required Visual C++ for your system. After the installation done, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After this restart done, you can open the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.